Okay, so welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video, I'm going to solve this integral problem, right? Sin 5t. Here, here I know what is the Laplace transformation of sin t, right? I know that. So basically, I need to find what is Laplace transformation of sin 5t. So let's say Laplace transformation of sin t, it is what? It is 1 over s square plus 1 square. I know that one. It is 1 over s square plus 1. So from using this one, I need to find what is the Laplace transformation of sin 5t. So in the last video, I talked about what is the Laplace transformation of f alpha t, right? F alpha t. So it is 1 over alpha f s minus a. Sorry, it is f s over alpha, right? This is the theorem we talked in the last video. So here alpha is 5, so when I using that formula, it is 1 over 5 times 1 over, here s is a s over 5, right? Because I have to shift s by s over alpha. So here s have to be shifted by s over 5, right? S over 5 plus 1 square. So 1 over 5 times 1 over s square over 25 plus 1. It is 25 over 5 times s square plus 25. 1 5. So this is 1 over s square plus 25. This is the Laplace transformation of sin 5t. So thank you for watching. We will meet you in the next video with a new property. Thank you for watching.